Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create infographic templates and sell this skill on Fiverr and Etsy, and you can also sell this skill as a digital product. In digital product you just have to create product one time, and the product will sell automatically for years or for lifetime. So first of all we will go to etsy.com and let's see that is there uh, people selling infographics templates as a digital product or not. So I click on infographic template, and as you can see, 4,000 plus business editable infographics and 10,000 infographics, 365 social media business booster, and infographic multi-purpose templates. So as you can see, people are selling this. So in this video I will teach you about how you can create infographic templates and list it here on Etsy and other platforms like Etsy. So I am going to home, Canva, and here I search for infographics. Sorry. So infographic presentation, infographic. So I just click on infographics and let's see. So there are more than 7,000 templates. So I click on create blank, and you just have to pick a niche. I want to create a infographics templates bundle on business niche. So I search for business here, and my internet is a bit slow, that's why it's take time. So as you can see, there are different lot of templates available. So I will choose this one first. After that I will choose this one, add a page, this one, add a page, this one, add a page. These are the templates which your client can edit, because you give links to client. You do not need to download the like these infographics image. You just have to provide the link to your client, so he can easily customize this template according to his need. So this is the main thing, and you can also change the style, and you can also search for corporate core. Internet is slow, that's why it's take time, so be patient. And like saying corporate, so I click on corporate, and let's see. These infographics are all editables, like you can change the background color, etc. Internet is very slow due to this. I think it's internet issue. I'll check the internet. So that's why it's take time. So we just when we created our templates, correct our templates, and yeah, this is the internet issue. So that's why. So you can search different keywords, and you have different templates, so you can add the template in your list. I added 7 templates, so you can add 100 plus templates and list it here on etsy.com, and your templates will sell automatically. So after that you will go to share and click on this only access. You can access, anyone with the link can edit, because client have to edit the template. After that you you click on this button and your link is ready, and provide this link to your client and your work is done. So that's it from my side. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.